Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Unique Creations. A little tongue-tied here this morning. Hope everyone is doing well. Today, I'm going to create my own homemade oregano oil. Definitely gonna have some ground oregano. So here's the oregano here, and olive oil. So I already have my olive oil here in little containers that I keep it in. So I have olive oil and my oregano here, and I'm gonna make oregano oil, and I'm gonna let it sit up. You can let it sit up about 6 to 8 weeks in a dark spot, a cool dark spot. And once it is set for like 8 weeks, well, I like to go 8 weeks. You can let it sit for 6 to 8 weeks. Oregano oil is really good. It kills gut bacteria. It's antifungal, antiviral, antibacterial. Helps with pain relief. It reduces inflammation. It's best when the cold and flu season comes around, especially the winter time and the winter months for allergies. Helps with leaky gut, IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, and reduces symptoms of allergies. Oregano is very good for a lot of things. Something just as simple as sitting in your kitchen cabinet. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make mine. What I have here is like 5 tablespoons of oregano. I put it in this little container here because my little mason jar is just a small one because it's just me and my husband. So I'm gonna make some and just let it sit up. But it's really good. It's also good for pain relief. I don't know if I mentioned that. It's really good for pain relief. And what you'll do is once the oregano oil has set your 6 to 8 weeks, you're gonna transfer it from here into an amber color bottle, a dark bottle. You want it to sit in a dark color bottle because you don't want it to go rancid or go bad. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to empty the oregano into here. Since it's just my husband and myself, I don't even know if I'm going to put the whole thing in here. I had to make the jar before, so this should be good enough right here. Because I basically try to really take care of myself so I don't get colds and be sick. And so I'm going to, I'm adding the olive oil. So the olive oil goes over the oregano. Just gonna kind of stir it in a little bit. I'm gonna let this sit. This is all I need. So this here probably was like maybe 2.5 tablespoons for this little jar here. This is like a 4-ounce jar, little mason jar. And what I'll do after that is gonna sit up. Let mine sit in a dark place. I usually put it in the pantry and sit it back of the shelf. Gonna let it sit for 8 weeks. So it's just 2 simple ingredients: olive oil, organic olive oil, and the oregano. So make sure when you pour the olive oil in, it's above the oregano. It's gonna sit. Put the top on it. I'm gonna put a date on it, and I'm gonna let it sit for 8 weeks. And this is what it's looking like. So if you haven't heard about the benefits of oregano oil, I suggest you look it up. It's really good. A lot of things we have right in our kitchen cabinets that's good for us. So if you want to try this recipe, like I said, if you're making a larger jar, then you want to put more oregano in there, more olive oil in there. It depends on your family size, how you're making it. And to take it, you would take 3 droppers. So when you put it in the amber color jar, just get the little jars. I have the little bottles with the little droppers to them. So you can 3 droppers. And some people put it in the water. You can just put it right in your mouth. You can stand to take it. So oregano ain't really that bad, but anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I've been really researching a lot of little different home remedies and things for our health that's right in our kitchen cabinet, things, and that save you on some money too. Definitely it's a money saver using this. So this is really good for the cold and flu season. If you're having any type of pain, it's good for that. Inflammation, good for that. IBS. A lot of people probably suffer with that irritable bowel syndrome. It's good for that. Leaky gut, good for that. It reduces cold and flu symptoms within 48 hours. So you don't take it past 10 days. That's what I want to make sure I let you guys. You got to give it a break. You shouldn't have to take it past 10 days, but it's just droppers. So you'll be putting like 3 drops in your mouth. Hope this video helps someone. Thank everyone for watching my video. Thank you for my old subscribers and new subscribers. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. Also like and share my channel. Thank you very much. And I'm going to make sure that I can turn this off just right because I'm forever messing this up. And I'm going to try it one more time here. I guess I messed up again. This right here is the hardest thing, this little gadget here. Sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. So that means I have to get up and turn it off. So thank you all for watching. Have a beautiful and blessed day today. Bye-bye.